सरकार गिरने वाली है. What about this statement?
ना, ये अखिलेश जी का अपना सोच है. ये तो सही बात है कि सेंटर में बीजेपी का बहुमत है नहीं. ये कोalition गवर्नमेंट चल रहा है. ये कोalition गवर्नमेंट को जो कंडीशंस है, जो कंडीशंस दो शरीकों ने दिया है, ये कंडीशंस मानना बीजेपी के लिए मुश्किल होगा आने वाले दिन में. आपने देखा है कांवड़ यात्रा में जैसे बीजेपी सरकार ने ये जो डिवीजन बताया, रिलीजियस डिवीजन, ये तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का खिलाफ है. इसके बारे में उनका जो पार्टनर है उन्होंने आवाज उठाया. तो ये सरकार चलना बहुत मुश्किल है. ये बात तो सही है.
What about also TMC organizes the 21st July marches in Kolkata?
TMC, this is their annual fete. This is not really any remembrance of the martyrs. We call it, this is the fete of the annual fete of TMC. And they have gathered their own supporters. And they have assembled, and Mamata as usually gives sermons and a benediction, which is not being followed by his followers at all.
On opposition wreck up the Kanwar Yatra on raw need paper leak, all party meeting, all the party meeting cheers on Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. The opposition raised issues such as a need paper leak, Kanwar Yatra raw, and vacant post of Deputy Speaker in Lok Sabha. What about some?
You see, Kanwar Yatra has really shown the motive of BJP. They want a sharp division on religious line. They want a sharp division on people's faith, food habit, which is basically unconstitutional. And as soon as you have seen wherever the BJP's nominee may be having RSS influence being appointed, whether it is in NEET exam top, by the UPSC, wherever there are nominees of Mr. Modi, we find there is scam. Therefore, this government is really a scam government. The opposition should definitely get united to fight it out.
On Bangladesh crisis, will give shelter if they come to our door, addressing a mega Martyrs Day and rally in Trinamool Congress. Mamata Banerjee said West Bengal government should provide shelter to people from violence hit Bangladesh if they come knocking our doors.
Now, this is the usual practice of any country. If the neighboring country people suffer for whatever reason, and they come for shelter, they have to be given shelter. Government of India has given shelter to the Tibetans also. This is one of their basic constitutional principles. There was nothing new in it.
So on Akhilesh Yadav's today's attend in this type of mega rally. So what about, say, on this, you are also the part of India Alliance?
Of course, Akhilesh is a part of India Alliance. Mamata is officially part of India Alliance. Therefore, Akhilesh has come on the invitation of Mamata. There's nothing wrong in it.
But CPIM, they can criticize CPIM on...
We will criticize. We will criticize whoever is there if that party or that combination does not really work sincerely for secularism of the country. We will criticize if not the constitutional morality and constitutional principles are upheld. That's our basic duty.
Mamata Banerjee says only Bengal can preserve existence of India. There can be no India without Bengal.
Of course, India cannot be without Bengal, cannot be without Uttar Pradesh, cannot be without Assam, cannot be without Sikkim. This is an absolutely foolish statement. Of course, Mamata, ultimately, whether she will carry on with the Indian combination or not, I have every doubt. You will find in times to come that Mamata will ally with BJP.
What about sense on upcoming budget session?
Upcoming budget session will oppose it. I am sure that the inequality issue which we will raise would not be properly answered by the government. Price rise is a very crisis. Unemployment is a crisis. In none of the field government has any positive answer. Let us see what the budget comes.
What's your expectation on this budget, sir?
I don't have any expectation because the BJP government his economic policy is controlled by the pro-corporate philosophy. This is not a pro-poor philosophy. Therefore, we don't have any expectation from them.
You are there and you can oppose it.
Well, of course, we'll oppose it.